गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ये हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 4 है जीके का। ये जो कि 8 क्लास इंग्लिश मीडियम सब्जेक्ट जीके के लिए है यूपी बोर्ड सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग। द वंडर्स, ओके, डेट इज़ इंडिया। ठीक है, इंडिया के वंडर्स की बात की जाए। ओके, ये है हमारा टिक द करेक्ट आंसर वेयर अल्टरनेटिव्स आर गिवन। व्हाट इज़ द मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ जज इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट इंक्लूडिंग द चीफ जस्टिस? 31. What is the retirement age of the Chief Justice of India? 65 years. True or false? A retired judge of the Supreme Court can practice law in any court or authority with the territory of India. False. Match the term with their meaning. Moving the Supreme Court by a individual or group of a person by a right petition on matter of public interest. इसका आंसर है 6, पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट litigation. Second is highest court at the district level to try criminal case. इसका आंसर है 5th सेशन जज. थर्ड इज एन एक्सपर्ट इन लॉ. इसका आंसर है 3rd ज्यूरिस्ट. फोर्थ इज स्मॉल लॉ कोर्ट इन रूरल एरिया. आंसर ऑफ दिस इज 1st न्याय पंचायत. Fifth, courts set up a administer speedy and cheap justice. Answer of E is 2nd Lok Adalat. Power of the Supreme Court to revive an act of the executive or a law of legislature and declare it null and void in case it is against the Constitution. Answer of this is 4th judicial revive. Next is which two seats have a common high court? Haryana and Punjab. Consider the following statement regarding the high court in India. There are 25 high courts in the country. Which of the above statement is are correct? A, B and C. इसका आंसर क्या है? A है, B है and C है. 7. Who administers the oath to a newly elected President, Chief Justice of India? Who administers oath to a newly appointed Chief Justice of India? President. Next is important India's sites of movement. Seats of movement. Match the names of the seats of movement to their description, name, location and फीचर. और इसके आंसर लिस्ट जो है वो यहाँ है बैक साइड पर. ओके, यहाँ से करना. ओमकारेश्वर टेम्पल, टावर ऑफ विक्ट्री, गोल्डन टेम्पल, ताजमहल, राजघाट, जलियांवाला बाग, रेड फोर्ट, तिरुपति, विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल, कुतुब मीनार, मीनाक्षी टेम्पल, अजंता केव्स, चार मीनार, गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया, गोल गुंबद, हम्पी, अमरनाथ टेम्पल, बुलंद दरवाज़ा, गोमतेश्वरी, दिलवारा टेम्पल, जगन्नाथ टेम्पल, एलोरा केव्स, सोमनाथ टेम्पल, खजुराहो, कोणार्क, इंडिया गेट, ओके, अब इनके मैचिंग वाली साइड से देखते हैं। बुद्धिस्ट केव टेम्पल नियर औरंगाबाद इन महाराष्ट्र। केव टेम्पल ऑफ लॉर्ड स्वामी शिवा अबाउट 150 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम श्रीनगर इन कश्मीर। गेटवे एट फतेहपुर सीकरी आगरा 170 feet high, highest gate in the world, built by the Mughal Emperor Akbar. The 400-year-old landmark of Hyderabad in Telangana. In Mount Abu, Rajasthan, 5 Jain temples built between 11th and 13th century EC. Built in 1911 CE in Mumbai to commemorate the visit of King George V of UK. 34 ancient Hindu, Buddhist and Jain cave temple in Aurangabad, most famous being the rock-cut Khalsa temple. The Sun temple at Konark in Odisha, the sun god riding a 24-wheeled chariot down by 7 hours by cord in stone. Shiva temple on a island in the Narmada, located in Madhya Pradesh. Hindu temple built by the Chandel dynasty, the most magnificent being Mahadeva temple, famous sculptors depicting art of love. War Memorial Arc in Delhi, built by Litans in honor of 60,000 soldiers who died overseas in World War First. Now an eternal flame burns beneath the ark in memory of those who died in the 1971 war with Pakistan. In Puri, Odisha, a temple dedicated to Lord Jagannath, an incarnation of Vishnu. A public garden where hundreds of Indians were shot on order of General Dyer in April 13, 1919. In Karnataka, a 1000 years old statue of the Jain Gomateshwari carved out of a single stone. In Agra, UP, the white marble mausoleum built by the Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, voted one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. Built in the memory of Queen Victoria at Kolkata, built by Rana Kumbha in 1448 in Chittor, Rajasthan to commemorate his victory over the combined armies of Malwa and Gujarat. In Karnataka, contains the ruins of the ancient capitals of Vijayanagar kingdom, located in Andhra Pradesh, is famous for Sri Venkateshwar temple. The largest dome in the world has the world famous Whispering Gallery. Amritsar, Punjab, sacred shrine of the Sikhs. In Madurai, Tamil Nadu, a Hindu temple with a hall of 1,000 pillars and a group of figures carved out of a single stone. In New Delhi, 7.5 meter high stone tower, tallest minaret in India, built by Qutubuddin Aibak as a victory tower. in Delhi, a red stone structure built by Shah Jahan. Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi on the bank of a river Yamuna. Located about 2010 km from Rajkot in Gujarat, magnificent shrine of Vedic time, the temple was invaded and destroyed many times by Firozian invaders. Answer of these questions: I for 1, Q for 2, U for 3, O for 4, Y for 5, M for 6, X for 7, S for 8, P for 9, W for 10, V for 11, A for 12, D for 13, F for 14, T for 15, R for 16, B for 17, C for 18, N for 19, E for 20, L for 21, G for 22, Z for 23, J for 24, H for 25 and K for 26. Okay.